In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted lost Steam saves. We'll start with the most reliable approach using Steam Cloud and then look at restoring from a local backup if you created one previously. Follow along carefully, and you'll have the best chance of getting your progress back. First, let's recover from Steam Cloud. This works only if Steam Cloud was enabled for your game before the save was lost. Open a web browser and go to the official Steam remote storage page while signed into the same Steam account you use for the game. You'll see a list of games that have data stored in the cloud for your account. Find your game in that list and click Show Files. This reveals every file Steam Cloud has on record for that title, including save files and configuration data. Carefully review the timestamps to identify the most relevant versions. Then download the files to your computer. Keep them in an easy-to-find folder like your desktop for the next step. Now it's time to restore those files to your PC. Move the downloaded files into your local save game directory. By default, this is usually found at C Drive, Program Files x86, Steam, User Data, Urisary, D, AppID. Your user ID and the app ID are unique numbers tied to your account and the game. Some games also store saves inside a subfolder within that app ID, so match the folder structure you see there. If you are prompted to replace existing files, that typically means you are placing them in the correct spot. After the files are in place, start the game normally and let Steam Cloud sync. Your saves should load as they did before they were deleted or lost. If Steam Cloud doesn't have your files, let's check for a local backup you might have made earlier with Steam's built-in backup feature. Open the Steam client, click the Steam menu in the top left corner, and choose Backup and Restore Games. Select Restore a previous backup, then follow the on-screen instructions. Steam will guide you to locate your backup set and restore the game's data from it. This process is straightforward, but it only works if you previously created a backup using Steam's backup tool. That's it. Thanks for watching.